Hello everyone, today I just got a new phone in the mail. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a new one that was just released. I actually ordered this on pre-order. The official release date is the 17th of Feb actually, but this one was sent out to me by Samsung. Ordered it online, and as you can see I've got a few different accessories that come with it. It's funny these days because, with a lot of the newer phones, they don't actually come with the charger. And with the S23 Ultra, if you want to get access to that 45-watt charging, you need to buy the power adapter separately. I actually got this phone with a $250 voucher. It was just one of the promotions online if you purchase the phone. So I actually got these with the with that voucher. So normally I usually just buy the accessories separately. So we'll go through the accessories in a moment, but I want to unbox the phone, just show you what's inside. It's been a while since I bought a new phone, and I've actually got the Huawei Mate 10. I think that phone is something like 5 or 6 years old, starting to go bad on me. The battery's just crappy and so slow. So I thought, look, you know what? I use my phone every single day pretty much for most tasks. Might as well just get the best one. So the one that I've got is the 1 terabyte version, 1 terabyte and 12 gigabytes of RAM. You can get the 256 gigabyte version, but I think that has 8 gigabytes of RAM. Still pretty good and cheaper. This one cost me over 2,000 Australian dollars. Might sound nuts to buy a phone for 2,000 something dollars, but when you're using it as much as I do, to make videos, to answer messages from the different platforms and stuff like that, I think it makes sense to get something that runs fast and does the trick. I kind of treat it almost like a little computer in my pocket. So I ended up getting this one over the Galaxy Fold Z Fold 4, just because I heard that there were some issues with the previous model and the screen snapping in the center. Thought I'd give it a bit of extra time, to, I don't know, maybe get to the next iteration. Maybe they end up making the screen better, and also with that sort of fold in the center of the screen that was annoying me a bit. But I was really tossing up between the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold 4, because the Z Fold 4, I mean, you can't beat that in terms of productivity, which is what I'm mainly going to be using the device for. Just being able to open it up, have two different screens, multitasking. But I did go into the shops, went to JB Hi-Fi, and I had to play around with the S23 Ultra, and it was really impressed with how fast and how snappy it is, even when swapping different windows, different internet windows, and the multitasking in there. The screen's pretty big. So I thought, I'll just get this one. There's also a bunch of different features in there. You've got that 200 megapixel camera, new processor, new and faster processor as well. So, I thought might as well just get the newest one that's come out. Maybe the new, Z Fold 4 might have some significant improvements, including the camera and that screen as well. Just that kind of that folded area in the center of the screen that annoys me. So it actually shipped from Sydney. I'm based in Melbourne. Took a few days to get over here, about 3 days actually. I was quite impressed at how fast they managed to ship this out. Came in a simple box, and you just sign delivery as usual. So this is all that it comes in. Look at that, it's teeny. Okay, that's easier. Let's have a look what's inside. So you've got basically a bit of cardboard packaging in here. They don't use really any foam in here, which is interesting. It's all just paper. Good for the environment. Yeah, it's all completely paper. And what is this? So you've got the phone here. Wow. That a little sticker or something on the back, and a little screen protector there. I think it's, yeah, I'm gonna take that off and put the actual proper screen protector on in just a moment. I don't want to get any dust on it just yet, so I can just put on the screen protector. Is there anything in here? Okay, it's a little container. Cardboard box. Something in here. Oh, cool. So they've given you a cable and some little instruction, or just tells you what's in it, really. Difficult to see under the light. But yeah, basically device, comes in the device, USB cable, ejection pin, quick start guide. That's it. Samsung Care pamphlet. So here you go, that's the SIM ejector thingo tool. Here is the cord. And I actually, I don't know if this one supports the 45 watt charging. Usually you get pretty chunky cables. Yeah, you get pretty chunky, thicker cables, high gauge cables. But it's good that they included one, especially if you didn't buy a separate charger. You can just use your previous charger. I've got actually this one here from Huawei, which is 23 to 25 watts as well. So this will work nicely. Can use that in another situation. And, you know, I managed to actually dig out my Samsung Galaxy S, the first one ever. I think this was released back in 2010. And, I mean, really has come a long way. So yeah, that's basically about it. You've got this stylus here. I like that it includes the little S Pen stylus. Fits nicely in there. Charging port. Yeah, there's little bits of sticker thingos on here as well, I'm sure. Yeah, thought it was scratched up, but it's just on the plastic itself. SIM port, that must be the SIM port there. USB-C, speaker. And this thing feels really, really quite solid. I'm just amazed at the cameras now. I mean, a lot of you might have similar phones, but, you know, compared to my Huawei Mate 10, this thing looks incredible just with all the tech that's in it. So let's have a look at some of the accessories that come with the phone. So I've got this screen protector pack from Samsung, and comes with two, which is good because I have made a mistake before and actually snapped one while applying it. Don't ask me how. There's, what else do you get with it? They've got this instruction manual. I'm gonna maybe open it from the other end. It's kind of stuck. Oh, here we go. These are maybe just some cleaning cloths or something. Okay, what's that? Some kind of, might be the, like the tool, the applicator tool. What is it? Yeah, applicator, squeegee, microfiber cleaner, dust removal sticker. Okay, jeez. Usually when I order one of these, screen protector packs, it's all it comes with, just this, the bit of glass, and that's it. So that's cool. There's seems to be a lot of gear that comes with applying it. I've got the 45 watt power adapter. So again, this just allows you to get that maximum charging ability from the phone. Let's open it up. Okay, cool. And yeah, definitely this cable is thicker, a lot thicker than this one here that came with the phone. Okay, a bit of a difference there. Don't know what that is. AWG 20 something and 30 maybe. And yeah, it's the cable that actually is important, as well as the charger. It's a bit hefty, that's for sure. USB-C to C as well. I'm sure I can use this cable to transfer data from my current phone over as well. Yeah, amazing how small that they've kept this little brick. It's the same size as my old Huawei charger, but it is a bit, it's got a bit of a heft to it. Let's put that away. And, you know, when getting this phone as well, I thought I might as well get in a little case for it. This one of the Samsung cases, and I got this one because I like that frame design, that minimalist frame design, but I also carry 1 to 2 cards with me, and a lot of the cases don't come with that, so I thought I'd get this one. I'm actually looking to get another more heftier case, one of the gadget cases with, but I thought use this one first, see how it goes, and okay, so it kind of comes in 2 parts, seems. Okay, there's the instructions. It's going to tell you how to install it. Nothing in there. So that is it, basically. You've got, okay, there's 2 sides. So you got one side that's, I wonder how you put this in. I'd have to figure this out. Oh, there we go. Look, it's sort of, it sort of just slots in the back there and is held in. Okay, so you can swap them out. You know, if you want the side of the case that's you know, got the card holder, you can swap that in like that. I reckon this can hold 2 cards as well. I can squeeze in a couple of cards in there, but I think it's just designed for one. And look at that, you've got this sort of clear case as well. I like it. Nice little minimalistic design. The only thing I can see maybe going wrong is, you know, some dust and things getting through the sides and the back of the case. And I'm going to get a more rugged one with extra insulation and padding as well on top of this one. But I'm quite happy with the quality of that. That looks pretty good. And especially if you know, you can just use the frame itself. You don't want to use any of these backing boards, that's fine. So yeah, really quite happy with it so far. I'm going to charge it, plug it in. I might do another video afterwards, to like a follow-up video, but this is kind of what you get in it. And like I mentioned, the phone doesn't come with pretty much any charging accessories. It just comes with the cable. It doesn't come with the case. And, you know, my last phone came with all of that in the box. So, you know, you're going to need to buy all this stuff separately, especially if you want to get that fast charging ability. I mean, you're still going to be able to get by fine with the 20-something watt charger like I have here. But, you know, I think that's one of the perks of having one of these newer phones, that you can charge it up in 30 minutes or 40 minutes, however it is. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, I'm sure that I've missed stuff out. I've just kind of turned on the camera and recorded. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, make sure you click the like button. And if you want to see some more video reviews from me, make sure you subscribe.